want to know what Sarah, it was before Pete Davidson was getting off like by cocaine and all that stuff. Yeah. So it was a hell show. A freaking hell show. They showed
No, you want a hell show. You have that other show he did.
Which one?
Remember the show we actually did? The one we couldn't watch because it was unwatchable. It was so boring. It was like autobiographical. It had Carmela from The Sopranos playing his mother. Yes.
I only got on that once. That was terrible.
Bad show.
It was bad writing, but it was like I forgot the writer was on that. That was like supposedly good.
That's what it's like on the big ship.
Waterfront
When it's
and
bad.
Sea, so on.
You really feel the thing moving.
Yeah, this is Williamsburg. This is the
It's
Williamsburg.
so you feel that.
So Williamsburg Bridge, friend.
I think this is Williamsburg, right here. I'm pretty sure this right here. If you see a carousel, then it's Williamsburg. I know that.
You guys were out to Hawaii then? You guys were out to Hawaii?
No.
I've never left the country. Except for a cruise to Jamaica. That's about
I haven't neither except for Nassau. And Nassau's in this country.
it. Now it's Roosevelt Island.
Oh, that's Roosevelt Island. Okay.
So this was Roosevelt Island the entire time?
I thought this was Williamsburg.
No wonder it looks so nice. Yeah, I've been to Roosevelt Island.
Yes, you picked me up a couple times. They have a lot
Oh
of
wow, they got the cable car going out. That must be a nice view.
I wouldn't want to get in there though. I love the local thing.
If you're claustrophobic, don't take that.
I'm afraid of heights.
Okay. Don't take that. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. That's good. Get your money worth, guys.
Be right back. You felt that? You felt that? I felt that.
I almost ended up falling over. I almost ended up falling over. I had to grab one of those poles.
Yeah, over there.
It's a strong turn.
Feel it over
At least none of us are seasick.
I think that's why they give you food on the cruise.
Wouldn't eating make it worse?
No. Drinking alcohol makes it worse.
So that's Staten Island.
No, that's
Brooklyn?
the Long Island City, yeah. Because Roosevelt Island is right in between Manhattan and Brooklyn. Yeah, Pepsi Cola. That's Brooklyn.
You see the rock bars, shrimp? The rock bars.
Pepsi Cola.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why I bring this one. Or is that just me? So the signs that they have, the signs we're gonna have on the way back. So if they have more like highways, that's what we're gonna see on the way back.
No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm full. Except for the bread, which I should have. Start it tomorrow.
You need a fork?
Well, I was reading, and that's what they said. Enjoy. Enjoy today, because tomorrow. I said, yeah. They're right. So I will enjoy it today.
I'll go up and get your fork.
They got a lot of these little islands.
Yeah, it's going like crazy.
Did you eat a piece? Okay, you got it? Okay. As long as you got it, it's fine. Before I had a piece of mom and meat, so.
How's the car running? Good, guy? Car running good. The car running good?
Yep.
You figure everything out on it yet? Nope.
A lot of bells and whistles.
Yeah. He should have sat down and showed it to you.
He was in a rush to get us out of there.
Yeah.
Did Fran tell you how he fucked up? It was a hell show. We were there for hours.
He had a crummy salesman.
Yep.
Once he got the money, that's all he was interested in.
Well, he knew that if we walked out of there without, because he already took the money and he probably cashed the checks. If they hadn't had everything settled, they couldn't have stopped us from taking the car because we already bought it.
No, really bought
And
it.
he would have gotten in trouble with his boss, and we might have been able to sue because they took the money and they made it seem like everything was okay. And then they, at the last second, they cut out. They're like, "Oh no, now we need this." It's like, okay, you let us know days ago, weeks
Yeah.
ago, maybe even months ago, and then you're letting us in now. Now you're making it seem like we canceled. First, we canceled the insurance on the
Yeah,
car.
that's what Fran was telling me. Yeah, it's crazy. No, I didn't know what the hell he was doing.
If we hadn't gotten it settled by 6, I don't know what would have happened. And ended up having a blood pressure spike. The whole day was just fucking miserable. And of course, the guy gets to keep his job.
But it doesn't matter city or not.
Well, if they send you a thing on the guy on how good he was, they'd mount him to the company.
I see that she's getting depressed.
back seat, there's like two charging ports, but it's like a certain type of plug you need. It doesn't take a HDMI cord. It's like, what's the new phone charger? Yeah, it's like a new phone charger cord. Yeah. First aid kit, please? Yeah. First aid kit.
That's nice. Got a first aid kit in there.
They do a lot of cruises. This is waterfront.
Yeah. Well, they're going to come out and they're going to go out again tonight with the night cruise.
What is it? There's one of the camera operators. He says he spent 6 months on the cruise and 6 months working filming. Yeah, so he doesn't have to pay for the parts. He said. Because he works on a trailer. So he rents a trailer and he lives in that for 6 months, so he doesn't have to pay any real estate taxes. Because at the Hudson Navy Yard, you can rent out one of the RV trucks, and you can just stay there all winter, and you just have to keep refueling your trailer truck. That's it, or RV truck.
This
Staten Island will be on this side. Because that's Manhattan. We're going to eventually pass Manhattan and go to Staten Island on that side. There you go.
This is the only day cruise they had all month. That. Right.
Oh, we're turning. So that's already, depending on which way they come across.
All done?
Yeah.
Is that done as well? No.
No. No, I don't want it.
I told them one, the game is right. No, I'm good. When I tell you I'm full, I'm full. So.
Center.
She asked me for one, I told them one and they gave us three.
Oh. They're really trying to push the meat.
I guess so. They're trying to push it.
You know why the salad is so good?
That's the circle.
Did you
Line. They
realize
go all the way up to West Point, and then they go out to almost the end of the Hudson, and then they turn around and come back. It's an 8-hour cruise. Circle only, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they got a cruise on the Circle Line. They go all the way up West Point, then it goes up to Albany. Points around Albany. I think it's an 8-hour cruise. Ours is a 4-hour cruise, not a 3-hour cruise. These islands are too small.
Probably do another.
Can't get too small an island. Can't get stranded. I wish we could.
Then you want to go upstairs?
I wouldn't mind getting stranded with you. You go get stranded, that's fine.